Hello guys, so today, as I told you in the last video, I'm gonna show you how to install the Growatt wall charging for home. So I'm gonna install it here, don't mind my garage, still working on it, but I'm gonna install the charger here, just to show you how to install it. We're gonna test it and I will take it off. And when I finish my garage, I will install it again. Okay, let's start. Okay, so first we have to install the bracket. That will be this one. So, let's measure it. Let's take the cables out. And I'm thinking to put it right somewhere over here. I'm gonna use a little level, just to level it right. Okay, and next we're just gonna mark it. One right here, one right here, one right here, and one over here. Let's check again. Perfect. Okay. Now we have to drill the holes. Okay, got my weapon. Let's make the holes. Okay, we have one. Let's try it. Perfect. Let's make the rest of them. Okay, all good. Testing. Perfect. Now let's install the bracket. Almost. It's a little bit tilted, but I don't care. Okay, I think we can install the charger. So how do we install it? We are just hooking it up. It's like a hook on the top. You just have to line it up and that's it. It's ready. So if you lock it, if you want to lock it, there are two screws. Underneath you are locking the station to the bracket and that's it. So what I'm going to do with that cable, actually, I'm not sure how I'm going to install it. Perfect. And like that. Okay. I'm gonna mark it. Looks okay, I think. Let's mark it. Kind of like that. Okay, so now we have to open the side cap as I show you in the video. We just need to unscrew the 4 screws. Okay, let me show you. You have to open that cap. Over here there are 4 screws, and then over here, okay, and you can see over there it says AC input. The further left is the ground, the middle one is the neutral, and then you have the line. We just have to connect the cables over there, over here, and that's it, and it should be working. Okay, let's do that. Okay guys, so everything is installed. As you can see, the 3 cables are in there, and the flashing light that you see, that's the Wi-Fi. So it turns out that there is a little issue with this unit. When you connect it to the Wi-Fi, you have to wait for at least 15 minutes to the Wi-Fi to connect. As you can see, the way it's blinking, it's suggesting that it's connected. So when you see it, it blinks like this, everything is good. Keep in mind that there are still issues with the Wi-Fi. So I suggest you connect it to the Ethernet port over here on the top, just in case. So that's it. That's how you can install the Growatt charger at your home. And as you can see, I already unlocked it. In the package you have this RFID card, and you can use it over here, but from the app I unlocked the charger because it's not outside, so no one else can use it. So now let's charge our Tesla. Let's open the port, get the charger, connect it, and as you can see, it started charging. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, click the like button. If you want to see more of those videos, please subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next one.